Mahatma Gandhi, his life and message to the world. Who was Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi, whose full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869, in Porbandar, India. He became one of the most important leaders in India's history, especially known for leading a non-violent struggle for India's independence from British rule. Unfortunately, he was assassinated on January 30, 1948. His title Mahatma means
Key life events.
Studied law in London, England ***. Gandhi went to London to study law, sharpening his mind and preparing for the challenges ahead. Fought discrimination in South Africa, 1893 to 1915. Gandhi faced racial discrimination in South Africa and began to develop his philosophy of nonviolence, or satyagraha, meaning truth force. Returned to India, 1915. Gandhi came back to India and quickly became a central figure in the independence movement. Led famous movements. Salt March, 1930, a peaceful protest against the unfair British salt taxes. Quit India movement, 1942, a strong demand for the British to leave India. Assassinated in 1948 ***. He was killed by a person who disagreed with his beliefs of harmony between different religious communities. Gandhi's core messages to the world. Nonviolence, ahimsa. Gandhi believed violence was not the answer, and that facing challenges peacefully showed true bravery.
Truth satya.
He strongly encouraged people to live and speak the truth. To Gandhi, truth was akin to God, leading to fairness and justice. Self-discipline and simplicity. Gandhi lived a simple life, wearing hand-spun clothes. He believed that living simply allowed others to simply live. Equality and justice. He fought against injustices like caste discrimination and untouchability, believing everyone is equal, irrespective of their background. Peaceful resistance, satyagraha. Gandhi showed that change could be achieved through civil disobedience without resorting to violence, inspiring leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela. Unity and tolerance. Gandhi promoted religious harmony, believing that different religions were like different paths leading to the same truth. Global impact. Gandhi's ideas have inspired civil rights movements worldwide. He demonstrated that enormous changes could happen without hatred or violence. Honored as the father of the nation in India, his birthday, October 2nd, is celebrated internationally as the Day of Nonviolence. Famous quotes. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others.